Hi. In this video, we will quickly compare Pipedrive versus copper. Are you having a hard time finding the tools that you need to run your business? With the Pipedrive platform, you can get all of the features you need without the cost of copper. Simplicity. Getting deals done is easy with the Pipedrive platform. It comes with a simple setup process, and it includes 24/7 support. The goal of Pipedrive is to make it as simple as possible for people to use. This is because our job is to help people sell effectively. Cost effectiveness. Although copper offers a free trial, you might end up paying more for a premium plan after that. Those small costs can eventually eat away at your bottom line, which is why you should avoid using a CRM that costs too much. If you are considering a CRM system, Pipedrive is a more cost-effective option than copper. Growth potential. The Pipedrive platform was designed to help small businesses grow. It features a deal suite that lets sales managers set goals and track progress. With the Pipedrive platform, your sales team can focus on their duties, while you can use data to improve your business. Its forecasting tools can help you identify winning strategies and improve the performance of your team. Ease of setup. The Pipedrive platform was designed to make it as simple as possible to set up. This means that you can easily maintain your daily routine. With the Pipedrive platform, you can easily migrate all of the data that you've previously stored. Its Import To feature allows you to easily move all of your data into one place. Thank you. I hope that information helps. If you would like to learn more about that software for your business, please click on the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.